Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I know you guys love these videos. So today I did go out once. You know, we're in quarantine, so we're not really allowed to go out. But my mother was going to the Dollar Tree and I was like, let me tag along so I can go and get a couple things really quick to see what they have as of right now. So I did find pretty cool stuff, and there's something in particular that I'm really excited to show you guys, but everything in here, probably a couple things are not nail related, so just disregard those, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you anyway what I got, but most of it, 90% of it, is nail related stuff. So I'm just gonna go in and get started with what I got. So the thing that I really got excited when I saw this, containers. These are actual cosmetic containers. So what I'm going to be using these for is basically doing my own mixes, my own acrylic mixes. You could do glitter mixes, regular powders. So they do have this pretty multicolored one, which they have a blue, a purple, and a pink, really cute colors, and then they have the all white, very classy. So there are 3 in them, and obviously they're $1 each, so you get 3 for $1, which is really good because the ones that I get at Target look, let me see, they look like this. This is what the ones at Target look like, and they are about the same thing, except this one says 1.25 ounces and this one says 1 ounce, which is really weird because this one looks way bigger than the Target one. But guess how many I bought? I literally took every single one off the shelf. So I did get about, I can't even hold them all in my hand, but I did get about 15 of them. There's a lot. This whole bag literally has all the containers. So this is what it looks like. That's a lot. So there's literally 15. So I believe I got 45 containers in there out of 15 bags, because there's 3 in each. So if you guys go to Dollar Tree, try to find these. They never have these. I've never seen them before. So go ahead and grab those if you go. Great steal. That was the biggest thing that I got. And then the next thing I got, oh, there's more in here. But the next thing that I got are these sponges. So these sponges you can use for, I don't know if you guys can see them. I don't know, is it too bright? Anyway, so these sponges I got also because you could do ombres with these. Oh, there's like a little blender in there too. I'm gonna see if that works. But anyway, so these sponges you could do, say if you don't want to do like this. This is like a ombre with color, with color, like white and the nude or pink. Instead of doing that, you could always use a sponge and kind of like blend it 2 colors together and create an ombre. So I thought that would be cool if we could do that. So I will be testing these out in another video, because I do want to do a video using all Dollar Tree products to do a set of nails or design a set of nails. But yeah, so we'll see if they work. I also found this is like a gem because I've never seen 100% acetone at the Dollar Tree. This is the first time I've ever seen that there. They usually just have regular nail polish remover, and it does say maximum strength easily removes gel and glitter nail polish, which, you know, acetone is very strong. So we will be testing this out. I'm actually gonna see if you could do a soak off with these and see how strong it is. Especially now, a lot of my clients are trying to oh, I got a scratch right here. Anyway, a lot of my clients are trying to remove their acrylics because I can't do them right now because of this whole quarantine thing. So I'll see if this works well so that they can go to the Dollar Tree and do that. And then my next thing is non-nail related, but I still wanted to share. I feel like I got something on my lip. Oh, it was a little fuzz. But anyway, so I found this really cute color by LA Colors, and this is just a lip color. It just says creamy wear lipstick hydrating, and the color is natural shine VLC 16. But I got this because I wanted to just try out some of their makeup. I've never really tried their stuff. I have like a long time ago, but I haven't really seen anything in particular that I like until now. I really liked this lip dual gloss lipstick. So the color is really pretty, the lipstick color. This color says Clarity, and it does have like a clear gloss. That's why I kind of bought it, just to kind of keep this in my purse because I really love clear glosses. I used to live for them when I was in high school. That was what was in this bag. And we are going to continue with the last bag. So the next thing I found is this buffer. This is probably not good for extension nails, but this is probably going to be great for, oh my gosh, my light keeps flickering. I don't know what's wrong with this middle one. I have like a trio light set, and one of them in the middle keeps turning on and off. It's so annoying. So anyway, so this one is probably just good for natural nails. I doubt that this one's going to be good for like buffing and actual, but we shall see. I've never actually used this four-sided one for extension nails, but yeah. But if you wanted to do your own like manicure at home, go ahead and get this. But yeah, obviously everything is $1 from the Dollar Tree. So the next thing that I got 2 of these. These are just like travel size bottles, and the reason why I bought these is because I found a video on YouTube, which I will leave in the description box below, because it was, well, basically, I don't really have to leave it in the description box below. It's basically a video that I found from somebody, but then again, I should give her credit, so I will be leaving it in the description box below. Yes, puppy?
I just want to
huh?
see what you're doing.
I'm recording. You want to be in my video?
Sure.
Okay. So anyway, it's late and he's up. Can you close the door though? Because I don't want any sound coming in. But Grandma was right there, Bubba. So anyway, so say hi.
Hi.
I got these because there's a video of this lady that she mixed basically she mixed monomer and acetone, and she made a brush cleanser. So here's my brush. So here's my brush, and basically after every client you can put the cleanser into this to kind of have it ready. And you can kind of like pour it in here and then just leave it in there for 10 minutes, and your brush should be good to go every time, so that it doesn't ruin the brush. So I will be leaving that video either way to give her credit, because she's the one that where I got the idea from. But yeah, that's what I'm using these for, and you guys can do that too. Or you could use this to get your sanitizer and put it in here so you can take to the store, especially because of now. But yeah, you're gonna go, Papa?
Yeah.
Okay, close the door, please. Thank you. Okay, so anyway, then I found, let's see, Kiss. So this is basically Kiss Super Fun Nail Glue, and we're gonna see if this works. I'm gonna use this with my tips. Like I said, we're gonna do a whole Dollar Tree video dedicated to the Dollar Tree to see what I can do with the products on my nails. So yeah, this glue may work, may not, who knows. Let's hope it does. Kiss usually has, well, I think the maximum one works really well, but it says it sets in seconds, bonds and repairs 1-drop applicator. So we shall see if it works. And it does say it is great for artificial tips and glue on nails, so press on nails. So then this is really not mine, it's my mom's. I just let her put her stuff in here because I was like, whatever, it's not that big of a deal. It's 3 things that she took. But anyway, we also got, let me see, we also got some brushes. So the first one, that it says angled liner brush, and they are by Wet n Wild, and I do have this one that I use just for whatever reason if I want to dust off something off a certain nail, like maybe some glitter or something like that. So this one, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I could use it maybe to do a French line, or maybe clean up around the cuticle, something like that. So you got to be creative too. You don't need to buy specific things for specific reasons. You can just, this will work just fine if you want to clean up around the cuticle, if you get any claws or anything like that. And then the same thing with this one, but I also kind of wanted, I was a little curious with this one because it does look kind of like a cleanup brush, like this one. This is the number 16 cleanup Kalinsky Germany brush that I got at my local nail supply store, but they kind of have similar shape. This is a eyeshadow brush. It says, just says small eyeshadow brush. If not, I don't know, whatever I don't use, I will give to a subscriber, because I will be doing a giveaway for a winner, because I am reaching 1,000 subscribers pretty soon, you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing, those of you that have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit your subscribe button, hit the notification bell button, like this video. Come on guys, comment down below any nail ideas you may have as well, because I am doing a giveaway pretty soon, basically. So I will be leaving details pretty soon in a near video. I'm not sure when as soon as I hit the 1,000 guys, I will make sure to do a video on a giveaway, because I am collecting things here and there for the winner. Maybe one, maybe 2 winners. You don't know. We don't know. We will see. But I am excited to do that because I've always wanted to do a giveaway, and I really want to give out something that I know somebody may use. Whether you do nails or not, I want to put stuff in the giveaway box that will help somebody, you know, and make sure that somebody likes it too. So like that's why I want to do different things for the giveaway. But anyway, we're gonna continue with the video. So the next thing that I got, let's see, I'll show you instead of this. I'm gonna show you this thing that I got. It just says it's a manicure set. I don't know what the heck that word is, but whatever, it's a manicure set, 4 pieces it says. And basically in this, it just looks like it has a nail clipper, a cuticle pusher, a little scissor, which you can use the little scissor for like nail art if you want to cut the little strips, the little tape, or if you want to open something, I don't know. But this is really cute. Even if you just want your own little personal manicure thing, you can actually carry this in your purse. How great is it? I don't know, but if there's a clipper in there and there's a little scissor, hey, this may come in handy for other reasons in your purse, who knows. And it was only $1, so why not? But yeah, we will be using this in our video as well, doing our nails by Dollar Tree products only. We shall see how that goes. This also is not mine. This is my mom's, but I do want to share with you because it is a nail related item. This you can use for the bathroom. Obviously you can hang it in your bathroom. This was a pretty color. It does have a brush, it does have a pumice stone on the back, and a little grater. So this is pretty good for a personal use thing. Don't use this on a bunch of your clients. You don't want to use this ever, especially this part right here. This is basically illegal in a lot of states because this is basically you can one, cross contaminate germs and fungus and infections on somebody else. So that's a big no-no. Do not ever do that. And please, if you ever go to a salon and they're using this on you, run. Not a good idea. But or this, make sure that they're throwing the little pumice things away because that is disgusting. Anyway, we're gonna continue. So then I found this really cool buffer, and I got this one only because there is one side of the buffer that actually looks a little bit of a more coarse of a grit, so that we can use on the extension. So I will be using this in the video to do the nails as well. And it does have like coarse grit to shape now. Step 2, it says medium grit to refine the shape, blah blah blah. This one has a lot more sides than the other buffer. And I have the last thing. So I will be also using this in my video with designing my nails with Dollar Tree items. So these two are, well actually there's 3 of the same bottles. So this one just says LA Colors Color Craze, yeah. And this number says 233, this number says 517, and this pink one says 888. So obviously the 233 is a beautiful lavender color, and then I have the pink one, which is the 888, and the beige tone nude color in 517. And those sponges that I showed you guys, I will be attempting to do an ombre with that on the video that I'm going to be doing right now. So we shall see how that goes. And we have a top coat, and this one just says base coat, top coat, so universal. Pretty cool with that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's multi-use. And then we have a Kiss Gel Shine, which I'm pretty sure they're not real gel products, but I guess they work like gel. They may be shiny, I don't know, but we shall find out. And this one, just the silver one, just ends with the number 7, and the gold one ends with the number 5. They are really pretty colors though. These probably will be great if you want to do designs and you want to do outlines or anything, or accent the nails with this. This probably will work great, and it looks like it has a nice consistency. I actually want to open one of these and see what it looks. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's very smooth. It looks very easy to use, and the bottles are really cute. I actually really like how they look. But you guys, that is all for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know that you guys love these Dollar Tree videos. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, like I said, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell button. That way you're notified every time I upload. Obviously, can't say that enough. And like I said, I did say like already, but please like. It does help with the YouTube algorithm so that I can be you know, more seen on YouTube, and that my videos are getting shown to more people than just the general subscribers. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Oh wait, and I did want to say thank you to everybody that wished me a happy birthday. I'm very, very grateful, and made me so happy for all of you guys that gave me happy birthdays on my other video. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Once again, have a great one. Bye bye.